I'm working on that too, trying to get it together. So you could see how you could get this thing done. I don't want to block your way of doing things. Tight it real good, so that way when it stands, you don't get loose. You got it? Good. All right, we got one down. Couple more to go. Okay, love. Okay, I'm gonna take a pause, a break. You know what to do. Just tight those bulbs like I show you. Make sure you put all of them in there. You got like 4 different spots to put it. So, and I get back with you. All right, later.